friends, there is a lot that I want to share with you today. There's a lot of events going on this month in July, and there's some events going on in August and September that I want to tell you about. But first, I want to share with you the details about my 4K giveaway. I'm not there yet, so it's like a road to 4K, and I'm very excited because I'm getting close. So I thought, you know what, let's celebrate. I want to celebrate early before we get into the holiday season or even really into fall. I really just want to do that now. So I'm doing a 4K giveaway. I'm going to run the giveaway from July 10th to August 14th. I would like for you to send me one item made for a journal. This item can be a piece of mixed media. It could be a piece of ephemera. It could be a cluster. Just basically anything that we would use in a junk journal. It could be a vintage card, like a playing card, or any kind of card. So really can be anything that you want as long as you feel like I could use it in a journal. Now I do have some themes of journals that I plan to do very soon. So I'm gonna share those themes with you. So if you could send me something in those themes, that would be great. But if you can't, if you don't have that in your stash, I don't want you to go out and buy anything. So just, go through your stash, send me something you think I like, and that'd be great. So again, don't go buy anything. You don't need to do that. And whatever you send, it can be flat mail. It doesn't have to be in a box that costs a lot to send, and one item is fine. So let me share the themes with you. I've got my notes here because I'm trying to remember. So one theme is called Home Sweet Home. So I think what I'll do is like a vintage home themed journal with like a homemaker, like back in the 50s maybe, or something like that. I'm going to be doing a sewing journal soon, and I actually created a digital kit for it, but I think I haven't listed it. I want to go in and tweak that a little bit because I made that a while ago. I want to just level that up a bit, and either that or make a different one and have two of them. But anyway, so sewing. Let me stick to the task at hand here. Sewing will be another theme that I'll be doing. I'm also going to be doing a unicorn theme, and I'd actually like to get that done during the summer because those are sort of bright, happy, non-fall looking themes typically. So unicorn, bird. So you guys know I have a beautiful bird digital kit. I'll definitely be using my kit in that. And I'll probably make a unicorn kit as well, just for fun, and I just like to do that sort of thing. But back to birds. I do have a bird kit, so if you could send me anything, that you like that has bird ephemera, that'd be great. And last but not least, sweets. I am definitely going to do a sweets journal, and I do have a sweet treats digital kit that's been up for a year probably, so I'll probably make a fresh one for that. But anything that you could send that would be in that theme would be great. So just pick one theme, whatever you happen to have in your stash, and that'd be great. I'll add it to my collection, and then I'll get to work on those journals. All of those journal themes came from my 2K giveaway, and I'm still trying to get those journals done. I had a huge list of them. These are the last ones. I'm also going to do a black and white journal for BB. She requested that, but I have plenty of things in that, so I'm not going to request that. All right, I'd like to let you know about some other things going on. So this month in July, I am participating in Junk Journal July. Only putting out one video per week because I have other things going on as well. But if you like collage, all of my Junk Journal July things are collaged, and Saturdays is going to be my day. Then there's also Crafty Christmas in July that I'm participating in, and I'll be putting a video out once a week for that collaboration. There's also Christmas in July Swap that I'm participating in, so those videos will be going out soon as well. Coming up in August, just so you guys know, BB of BB's Closet Creations, she's a member of my design team. She is going to be having her 1K birthday giveaway, and I'm going to be co-hosting that with her. There's a whole thing about that, so I created a digital kit using true vintage items that she sent to me, and so I created a digital kit, so we're going to be doing the giveaway and giving away the kit and giving away a journal. So I don't want to say too much about that until she and I get it all ironed out, but I do want you to keep an eye out for that and support her channel and give her love and grow her numbers. That'd be great. I will have all of the details for my giveaway in my description box. So if I was too rambly and you missed something, just go down to my description box, check it out. My address will be in there as well. Well, my friends, thanks for watching. See you soon.